Everyone. We are Prince Oja and Lavanya Korde, students from Marathwada Institute of Technology, SIDCO N4, Aurangabad, that is Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. We have recently completed an internship with WebStack Academy we were focused on MERN stack, that is MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. During our internship, we collaborated on a project to develop a food delivery website incorporating features such as restaurant listing, menu management, user authentication, and a payment gateway integration. We come to our next slide, that is agenda. The today's agenda is what is stack, what is MERN stack, founders of the MERN stack, what will be the projects that we can implement using MERN stack, benefits of the MERN stack, and last project overview. Coming to the next slide, here we is having what is stack. In web development, a stack refers to a set of technologies that work together to create a complete web application. This stack typically includes some components, that is database, server-side framework, client-server framework, and runtime environment. What is database? Database is storing the application's data, that is, for example, MongoDB, MySQL, and SQL. Server-side framework handles the business logic and interact with the database. For example, it includes Express.js, Django, or Ruby. For client-side framework, manages the user interface and experience. Common examples are React, Angular, and the last, that is runtime environment, that provide the environment in which the code is executed. Node.js is a common example for JavaScript based application. These technologies are carefully selected to work well together, allowing developers to efficiently build and maintain both the front end, that is user interface, and back end, that is server database of a web application. By using a unified set of tools, developers can streamline development processes, improve collaboration, and ensure consistency across different parts of the application. Coming to the next slide, we are having what is MERN stack. The MERN stack is a popular collection of JavaScript based technologies that work together to simplify and streamline the web application development process. The term MERN is an acronym representing the 4 key components of the stack, each of which plays a crucial role in development of modern web application. In this, the first one is MongoDB, second Express.js, third is React.js and Redux, and fourth one is Node.js. The MERN stack is designed to work together seamlessly, offering developers a full stack solution for building robust, responsive, and dynamic web application. Because all the components are JavaScript based, developers can use a single programming language across the entire application, from the client side to the server side and database. This uniformity simplifies development and allows for easier collaboration and maintenance. Coming to the next slide, each component of the MERN stack plays a vital role in web application development process, creating a cohesive and efficient framework for developer to build end-to-end application. However, how each component contributes. For instance, MongoDB is a database system, Node.js is a backend runtime environment, Express.js is a backend web framework, and React is a front-end framework. As compared to the other stacks, the MERN stack stand out by using a single language, that is JavaScript, throughout the stack, unlike the LAMP stack, which uses multiple languages, that is PHP and MySQL. It also differs from the MERN stack by using React.js for the front end instead of AngularJS. providing a more flexible component-based approach in contrast to the Django stack, which uses Python for the backend. MERN offer a unified development environment for JavaScript developers. Now come to the next slide. We are having MongoDB. MongoDB is a free open source cross-platform database program that takes a document-oriented approach to data storage. As a NoSQL database, it is designed to handle large volume of unstructured data with a high degree of flexibility. The key features of MongoDB includes document-oriented, that is, unlike traditional relational database that use tables and rows, MongoDB stores data in flexible JSON-line document known as BSON, that is binary JSON. Second one is flexibility. MongoDB's schema-less design means that document within a collection can have different structures, which provides flexibility to adopt as application requirement evolve. Third, scalability. MongoDB is known as for its ability to scale horizontally. This means that as the volume of data grows, MongoDB can be distributed across multiple servers, allowing it to handle large-scale, high-performance applications efficiently. Next is performance. MongoDB is optimized for high performance with features such as indexing, aggregation, in-memory processing. This makes it capable of handling real-time data processing, which is essential for modern applications that need to manage and analyze large amount of data quickly. And the next is cross-platform. As a cross-platform database, MongoDB can be deployed on various operating systems including Windows, Linux, Mac OS, making it versatile and accessible for different development environments. MongoDB's combination of flexibility, scalability, and performance makes it an ideal choice for modern applications that need to manage and process large amount of data quickly and efficiently. Its document-oriented approach is particularly well suited for use cases where data structures are complex or frequently changing, such as in content management system, real-time analytics, and Internet of Things, that is IoT applications. Coming to the next slide, here we are having Express.js. This is also a free open source software. It is a lightweight web application framework for Node.js that simplifies the process of building server-side applications and APIs. It provides a minimal and flexible set of features including middleware, support, and routing to handle HTTP requests and responses. Express.js helps developers quickly create robust and scalable web servers by offering a straightforward and initiative APIs for managing server-side logic and routes, making it a popular choice for building web applications and services with Node.js. The key features of Express.js is minimal and flexible, middleware support, routing, scalability, extensibility, and community and ecosystem. The usage of Express.js in web development includes that it is widely used for building web servers and APIs, particularly in scenarios where a lightweight and flexible and efficient solution is required. Its simplicity and power make it a popular choice for developer working with MERN stack, where it handles the backend logic and APIs endpoint seamlessly, integrating with MongoDB, React.js, and Node.js. Coming to the next slide, here we are having React.js and Redux. React is a JavaScript library specifically designed for building user interfaces, that is UIs. Originally developed by software engineers at Facebook, React was later open sourced and has since become one of the most popular tools for front-end developers. The key features of React and Redux includes declarative UI. React allows developers to create declarative views, meaning that you describe what the UI should look like based on the application state, and React handle the updates and rendering automatically. This approach simplifies development because you don't have to manually manage change to the UI. React efficiently update and render the component as and data changes. The second one is component-based architecture. React promotes a component-based approach to building UIs. Each part of the UI is encapsulated is a component, which can be reused and composed to create more complex interfaces. This modularity makes the code more maintainable, easier to debug, and scalable. Next is virtual DOM. React uses virtual DOM, that is document object model, to optimize rendering. When the state of an application changes, React creates a new virtual DOM and compares it with the previous version. It then calculates the minimal set of changes needed to update the real DOM, making the UI update faster and more efficient. And next is the full featured programming with JavaScript. It's a feature that includes JavaScript as a full featuring programming language to build UIs. This allows developers to use all the capabilities of JavaScript to create dynamic, interactive, and conditional DOM element. This flexibility makes it easier to build complex user interfaces that respond to user interaction and application state changes. And some more features are that server-side rendering and reusable code across platforms. Now we come on to what is the usage of React and Redux in web development. React is widely used for building modern responsive web applications. Its ability to create efficient, dynamic user interfaces makes it a go-to choice for developers who needs to manage complex user interactions and state management. React's ecosystem includes tools like Redux for state management, React Router for navigation, and wide range of third-party libraries that enhance its functionality. Coming on to the next slide, we are having Node.js. Node.js is a powerful runtime environment that enables developers to execute JavaScript code on the server side. This allows for the use of JavaScript not just in the browser for front end but also in the server side, that is back-end development, creating a unified language environment for web applications. Node.js is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine and provides a rich set of libraries and modules to handle various server-side tasks. The key features of Node.js includes event-driven non-blocking I/O models built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine that we discussed further, then rich set of libraries and modules, and unified development environment, including scalability. The next component for the Node.js is what is the usage of Node.js in web development. Node.js is widely used for building a variety of web applications, including real-time web application, that is RESTful APIs, command line tools, and more. Its ability to handle asynchronous operations efficiently make it a popular choice for developers looking to create scalable and high-performance applications. Coming to the next slide, we are having the founders of MERN stack. As the MERN stack is a different component having 4 such components like MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, the MERN stack as a collective set of these technologies emerged as a popular development stack over time as these tools become widely adopted for full stack JavaScript development. The MongoDB was created by MongoDB Inc., founded by Dwight Merriman, Elliot Horowitz, and Kevin Ryan. The initial release of MongoDB was in 2009. Second one is Express.js, which was created by TJ Holowychuk and was released in 2010. Third one is React.js, which was developed by Facebook team and released in 2013. The last but not the least, that is Node.js, which was created by Ryan Dahl and first released in 2009. Coming to the next slide, here we are having projects using MERN. So this part will be introduced from my partner. She is Lavanya Korde. Now she will introduce herself and take the project from now.
Hello, my name is Lavanya Korde from MIT College, Aurangabad. So let's start. Projects using MERN. Leveraging the MERN allows individuals to develop a range of projects that can significantly enhance their professional profiles. Examples of such projects include e-commerce platform website, social media application, project management tool, event management system, fitness tracking app. Next, benefits of MERN. Full stack MERN uses JavaScript throughout, making development smoother and more consistent. This means developers only need to be proficient in one language, simplifying the coding process. Efficient development. With MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js working seamlessly together, the MERN facilitates rapid development and integration, reducing the time needed to build and deploy applications. Scalability. The stack is designed to handle large-scale applications efficiently. MongoDB's NoSQL database allows for flexible data models, and Node.js provides scalable server-side capabilities. The next slide is rich user interfaces. React.js offers powerful tools for creating dynamic and responsive user interfaces, enhancing the overall user experience and making it easier to build interactive features. Active community. All components of the MERN are backed by active communities, providing a wealth of resources, libraries, and tools that support development and problem solving. Cost effective. As all components are open source, there are no licensing fees, which helps reduce costs associated with software development and deployment. Next, project overview. Working on projects during our degree is crucial as it provides practical experience and bridges the gap between the theory and real world application. It enables us to develop hands-on skills and build a robust portfolio showcasing our abilities to potential employers or clients while demonstrating our competency and problem solving capabilities. With the use of MERN, we had created a food delivery website project which offers a comprehensive solution for online food ordering. It helps restaurant listings, menu management with veg and non-veg options, accessible via toggle buttons and user account functionalities, including login, password reset, and profile updates. The project integrates Stripe for secure payments and uses Cloudinary for avatar storage, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly experience. Conclusion. The MERN provides a comprehensive and robust framework for developing a diverse range of projects, from e-commerce platforms to social media applications. By leveraging this stack, developers can create high-performing, scalable applications that meet modern web development standards. Building and showcasing these projects not only demonstrates technical proficiency in JavaScript across the full stack, but also highlights an individual's ability to solve real-world problems, manage complex workflows, and deliver user-centered solutions. This, in return, significantly enhances their professional profile, making them use more competitive and attractive to potential employers or clients.
Let's come to our project. I will give the overview of project, like how it's working and all. Here is our project. This is the project of food ordering delivery application. So first of all, here we have login button from where we can log in if we have the login credential. Otherwise, if you are new user, we can directly go through new user and have a registration. Like I will register now as a new user. Avatar we are using Cloudinary for saving, but for now we don't not choose any avatar and just click on the register. Then we got our register here. After this, we are also having a profile handling button here that will be allow us to edit the profile. If you go on to this, like it's allow us to change the username, email ID and avatar are taken from our PC that includes only 20 KB size. If the avatar size is more than 20 KB, it will not take, and all these avatars are saved in our Cloudinary account, which is integrated with this project. And we having logout button is also working as well. Next one is the restaurants. Here we are having, if someone wants pure veg, they just click on pure veg and they will find a restaurant which are only categorized under vegetables, and that is pure veg. After this, the show all button will be here for all the restaurants. When we click on show all, the total numbers of restaurant will be here on screen. Next, for the part of order, if you go there, we will take Manish Dum Biryani and we'll add some into the carts. This all are added in carts. Here is our cart, and this is the order or cart item which we have ordered. And here we are having a home button that is linked with order it logo. So if we click on order it, it will directly render us on home page. Now let's come on to the cart page. Here this is our cart item. Now we'll check it out. For checking out, we are having Stripe account which is integrated with our project. Here if we complete this process, it will directly complete our order part. As the order has been placed, for seeing the orders, we will go to the order part, and here it's showing processing as the response is on awaited by the restaurant side. Once it will be completed, we'll get a complete here as a button, and we can also see the actions about the order. This is our order which we recently made, and here is all the delivery info like the name of the person who ordered, number and her address, and a total amount. Here we are having 8 numbers of restaurant, and each restaurant is having their particular menus like starters, main courses, and it divided into such other components which required as per the anyone who is delivering the food through this website. So thank you, that's all for the project, and I will thank WSA team and our tutor Shri Rohit Kumar sir for teaching us this much as an internship project. Thank you all, and we will end our presentation here. Thank you.